Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you Introduction of Conversation Part 2 in Sanskrit. Okay, children? Listen here. Sambhashana Parichayaha. Okay, Part 2. First, I will read the meanings, then I will teach you the lesson. Okay, children? Listen here. Upavisha. Upavisha means sit. Uttishtha, stand. Chala, move. Gacha, go. Patha, read. Dhava, run. Likha, write. Piba, drink. Kuru, do. Upavanam, garden. Then listen here, children. Khada, eat. Krida, play. Okay, children? Now I will teach you the lesson. Listen here. Tvam uttishtha. What is meant by Tvam uttishtha? Tvam uttishtha means you stand. Okay? Tvam uttishtha, you stand. Then Tvam bhumau upavisha. What is meant by Tvam bhumau upavisha? That means you sit on the floor. Okay, children? Then Tvam devalayam gaccha. Tvam devalayam gaccha means you go to temple. Okay, children? Then Tvam patham patha. You read the lesson. Okay, children? Then Tvam kridangane krida. What is meant by kridanganam? Kridanganam means playground. Tvam kridangane krida. That means you play in the playground. Then Tvam patram likha. Patram means letter. Tvam patram likha means you write the letter. Okay. Then Tvam bhojanam khada. You eat the food. Okay, children? Then Tvam karyam kuru. What is meant by karyam? Karyam means work. Tvam karyam kuru means you do the work. Okay, children? Then Tvam upavane dhava. What is meant by upavanam? Upavanam means garden. Tvam upavane dhava means you run in the garden. Okay, children? Then aham uttisthami. What is meant by aham uttisthami? That means I stand. Okay? Aham bhumau upavishami. Bhumau means on the floor. I sit on the floor. Then aham devalayam gacchami. What is meant by devalayam, children? Devalayam means temple. Aham devalayam gacchami. I go to the temple. Then aham patham pathami. I read the lesson. Then aham kridangane kridami. I play in the playground. Then the next one, aham patram likhami. What is meant by that? I write the letter. Then aham jalam pibami. What is meant by jalam? Jalam means water. Aham jalam pibami means I drink water. Then aham bhojanam khadami, I eat food. Then aham karyam karomi, I do the work. Then aham upavane dhavami. Upavanam means garden. Aham upavane dhavami. That means I run on the garden. Okay, children. Then I will teach you the exercises. Listen here, children. They have given some questions. The first question, Tvam kutra gacchasi. What is by Tvam kutra gacchasi? Where are you going? For that, you have to write Aham devalayam gacchami. What is by Aham devalayam gacchami? I go to the temple. Okay, children. Then the second one, Tvam kim pathasi. What are you reading? Okay. For that question, what you will reply? Aham patham pathami. Then, Tvam kim likhasi. What are you writing? Aham patham likhami. I write my lesson. Then, Tvam kim pibasi. What are you drinking? For that, aham jalam pibami. I drink water. Okay, children. Then the second one, fill in the blanks. Aham dash gacchami. What is by gacchami? Gacchami means to go, right? Aham dash gacchami. See the options, children. The first one is Devalayam, Patham, Likhami, Khadami. Which one you select? Yes, you are right. Devalayam. Aham Devalayam gacchami. Okay, children. Then the second one, Aham dash pathami. For this, what you will write? Yes, the second option. Aham patham pathami. This is the second one. Okay. Then the third one, Aham patram dash. I write the letter, right? So, you have to write here 3, likhami. Aham patram likhami. Then the last one, Aham bhojanam dash. Aham bhojanam khadami. I eat food. Okay, children? Then, they have given some opposites. Atra, tatra. Atra means here, tatra means there. Then, upavisha, uttishta. Upavisha means sit. Uttishta means stand. Okay, children? Now, I will read you the dhatu. Listen here. Likh dhatuhu, to write. Likhati, likhataha, likhanti. Likhasi, likathaha, likatha. Likhami, likhavaha, likhamaha. Okay? Did you enjoy this lesson, children? Good. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.